Good morning. In this video, we will find the intercepts of exponential functions. So the y-intercepts of an exponential function is a point at which the graph crosses the y-axis. The x values is always at 0. And to find the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0. For the x-intercepts, it is a point at which the graph crosses the x-axis. And the y values is always at 0. So to find the x-intercept, ilalet naman natin ang y as 0. To find the x and y-intercept of f of x is equal to 4 raised to x plus 1 minus 2. So let's solve first for the y-intercept. So we let f of x is equal to y. So we have y is equal to 4 raised to x plus 1 minus 2. So sabi, to find the y-intercept, we let x is equal to 0. Papalitan lang natin ang x ng 0. Therefore, we have y is equal to 4 raised to 0 plus 1 minus 2. By simplifying this one, the exponent of 4, we have y is equal to 4 raised to 1 minus 2. And 4 raised to 1 is 4, then minus 2. So therefore, we have y is equal to 2, or the y-intercept is at 0, 2. Let us now find the x-intercept ng kaparehang given. So we have y is equal to 4 raised to x plus 1 minus 2. And to find the x-intercept, ilalet naman natin yung y as 0. So we have 0 is equal to 4x raised to x plus 1 minus 2. So lipat natin yung 2 sa kabila. We have 2 is equal to 4 raised to x plus 1. And kailangan pareha ang base. So we can change 4 as 2 raised to 2. And that is 2 is equal to 2 raised to 2x plus 2. Kaya po naging 2x plus 2 ang exponent. Distribute natin ang 2 sa exponent sa labas. Since equal yung bases nila, and we know na 2 is raised to 1 is also equal to 2, and that is 1 is equal to 2x plus 2. Pagsamahin natin yung magkakaparehang term, lipat natin yung 2 sa kabila. So we have 1 minus 2 is equal to 2x. And that is negative 1 is equal to 2x. Dividing both sides by 2, we have negative 1 half is equal to x. So therefore, the x-intercept is at negative 1 half, 0. Second example, y is equal to 2 raised to x minus 64. So let us find the y-intercept. So using the given, we let x equal to 0. So therefore, we have y is equal to 2 raised to 0 minus 64. And anything you raise to 0 is equal to 1. So we have y is equal to 1 minus 64, and we've got y is equal to negative 63. Therefore, the y-intercept is at 0, negative 63. So using the same given, let's find the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, again, we let y equals 0. So we have 0 is equal to 2 raised to x minus 64. Lipat natin itong 64 sa kabila. We have 64 is equal to 2 raised to x. And we know na pwede nating gawin na 2 raised to 6 ang 64 so that equal yung base nila. Since equal na yung base, we can bring down the exponent. We can equate the exponent. And that is 6 is equal to x. Therefore, the x-intercept is at 6, 0. Number 3, y is equal to 3.2 raised to x plus 8. So, hanapin muna uli natin ang y-intercept. So, using the given, we let x is equal to 0. So, meron tayong y is equal to 3.2 raised to 0 plus 8. So, anything na we raise to 0 is equal to 1. Kaya meron tayong y is equal to 1 plus 8. And that is y is equal to 9. Therefore, the y-intercept is at 0, 9. Next, we find the x-intercept. For our solution, we let y is equal to 0. So, we have 0 is equal to 3.2 raised to x plus 8. Lipat natin yung 8 sa kabila. So, we have negative 8 is equal to 3.2 raised to x. And negative 8 is also equal to negative 2 raised to 3. But, since there is no way na mapag-i-equal natin ang negative 2 at yung 3.2 na basis nila, our conclusion will be there is no x-intercept. For number 4, y is equal to 3 raised to x. Let us first find the y-intercept. So for our solution, we have y is equal to 3 raised to x. We let x is equal to 0. So y is equal to 3 raised to 0. And anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, we have y is equal to 1. The y-intercept is at 0, 1. So, for our x-intercept naman, we let our y is equal to 0. So, we have 0 is equal to 3 raised to x. And since walang way na mapag-i-equal natin ang base nila na 0 at 3, our conclusion will be there is no x-intercept. So, remember po, pag nagsusulat ng intercept po ordered pair, hindi lang y is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 ang pagsulat ng x-intercept. It is always pa ordered pair.